everyone, I'm Eszter Kovacs, co-founder of DroneTalks, and today I'm talking with Idan Shimon, who is a co-founder of Wonder Robotics. Hi.
Hello. Hi.
It is fantastic to have you here at the show. You are the first Israeli company at my show, and I'm really excited, to cover those areas and learn, what you do. So, what Wonder Robotics does?
So first of all, thank you very much for this opportunity. Wonder Robotics is actually trying to revolutionize the market the same way Tesla revolutionized the automotive industry. People do not realize maybe that Tesla is an amazing company, but not because they have, great mechanics, but because they have very good batteries, but also amazing autonomy and visual awareness capabilities. And in the same way, we want to revolutionize drones by providing them with autonomy capabilities, visual awareness, ability to detect objects around them, to understand the surroundings as they fly, not to collide into anything, how to land safely. That's our business.
Well, it's very impressive. So you have like a different mindset than the average, drone companies who only want to fly to A to B. You have like a 360 vision to provide autonomy, to provide, different kind of services and solutions.
Well, we are not a drone services company.
Yeah.
We are not trying to build a service and to provide to the end users services of drones. We are a technology company, software oriented.
Okay.
And we are trying to provide our capabilities and technology to drone manufacturers, service providers that will be able then utilize our technology in order to provide more safety to the drones. And if they will have good safety, eventually they will be able to regulate them. And also in order to make them affordable. If you want drones to be affordable, to be cost effective, you need them to be autonomous. Otherwise, like today, you'll need every drone to have an observer or operator behind them, and that's not cost effective. So in order to have one operator operate a fleet, you need autonomy. So we are not a service provider, we are a technology company, but we are an enabler for all the others to scale up their operations.
And I think this is where the money comes from, right? Like everyone talks about it. You need to scale to create decent revenue, and the industry needs revenue because we get this lot of investments, during the last couple of years, and the investment needs return. So the next 5 years, the return needs to start, right?
Yes.
So do you have already projects, or partnerships where you generate revenue, or you are still in an early phase, or how Wonder Robotics?
So we came here to the conference to present and demonstrate our flagship product. We call it Wonderland.
Awesome.
Which is a vertical detect and avoid visual awareness system looking down from the drone, providing ability to cope with denied GPS environments, descending safely without hitting wires, obstacle avoidance, ground clearance, precision landing, emergency landing, and it works. And we already have an office in the US, we already have customers in the US.
Oh, wow.
Actually, some of the most distinguished service providers, even in this conference, are our partners already, and we have been flying with the drones. We actually have a drone here in the show with Sprite, the wingcopter drone installed with our system that you can see. So, yes, we're already active, already working, already operational, and we are looking to expand our operations further.
Yeah. Wow, that's really impressive. I like this. You took action and you already have outcome.
Yes.
I like this approach. So what's next? Are you getting to the AAM eVTOL field? Because we had a chit chat before and you mentioned me, right? This is already in the corner, right?
Absolutely. So our first use case was actually vertical awareness, because you can see here in the conference so many drones. All of them need the ability to look down, to land safely, to land in precision. So we focused on that in order to penetrate early to the industry. But we're already working on providing 360 detect and avoid, which is a huge demand by the industry. And we already have a project with the larger drones, with the UAM market, actually more with the personal eVTOL market, to protect, to have assistive systems to the pilots, protecting them not to hit anything as they hover, as they land. And it's very exciting because this also is a market that is starting to scale up, and we're already there with our first partner in Israel.
Wow, congratulations! You are already half leg into the implementation phase, which is a big thing. So in your personal opinion, I'm really curious. You co-funded a company, right? So
Yes.
you believe in drones AAM, I assume, because you put your own skin in the game. So what do you think what's going to happen in the next couple of years? How the market going to change? What is your forecast? What's going to be really strong? What's going to be less strong? Or what's your general view?
So personally, and also my partners, that we are all coming from this industry. I'm personally in the UAV and drone business for more than 25 years already.
Wow.
So I'm already addicted. But I do think it is a great timing to be in this industry, and I think that in 2 years it's going to scale up. And the way you see that is that the big industries like Google, Wing, or Amazon, when they are inside and they are starting to put resources inside, and when they are starting to develop the same kind of technology, we don't see them as competitors, vice versa. We see them as influencers and
Yes.
enablers. This symbolizes that the market is going to happen very soon.
No, I cannot agree more, and it has a good sense. And they also break a little bit the path with regulation, right? And they were very active, because they have a lot of manpower, because they have a big name. So it's great you don't see them as a competitor.
Not at all.
Fantastic. And what else? Any exciting thing going on, at your side, or which other markets you are entering into, Europe, or where are you looking to develop partnership further? Maybe someone watching us, who would like to partner up with you. So which areas you are open to partner up with?
So as a small company, focus is very, very important. And we, in the beginning, decided to focus, first of all, on the US market, and more specifically on the segment of drone delivery.
Okay.
And this is where we started. But now that we started to grow, we are also looking a lot on the European market, because in many aspects, the European market is even more advanced sometimes from the American market, also from the regulation point of view. And we are looking to start more processes that's relevant to regulation, because this is the holy grail. If we'll be able to somehow have requirements for visual vertical awareness built into regulation, then I think
And your product is winning.
yes, then we have a winning product. So looking into Germany, looking into Europe, Germany included, and we are now already positioned in the US. We already have an office here, expanding to more use cases rather than drone delivery, expanding to the UAM market. So these are the next things.
Amazing. Thank you so much. I think it was a very fruitful discussion.
Thank you very much.